Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in East Godavari district, majorly Rajamahendravaram and Kakinada. Let us discuss what are the job openings available one by one. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Bandhan Bank all over India, and they have 3,656 bank units and 1,045 general banking branches, and they have a openings for 45,549 job roles. You can check with the job description details, and this is a field job. If you see, qualifications should be minimum 20 to 32 years of age between, and that is maximum age is 32 years, and should have 10 plus 2 qualification and above, and you should have a bike or scooty, and should have driving license as well. So this is a field work. And then if you see, they are going to give you a fixed salary and PF, medical claims, insurance, gratuity, like this, and based on your performance your salary will be revised. So you should have a PAN card, and you should have a Aadhaar card, everything, and you should share your resume or CV along with your documents to the provided email ID. Email ID is territory@bandhanbank.com. So this is the email ID you have to share. If you have any questions, let me know in below in comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for AMG Junior College, Mummuru, Panchayat Office Road, Rajahmundry Rural. They are looking for lecturer positions to teach the subjects chemistry and civics. As per the qualifications, if you see, should have a good command over the subject, particular subject, and should have minimum 75% in post-graduation course, and should have a minimum 2 years of experience, and you should be able to have good command over spoken and written English, and should have a knowledge of computers. You can share your resumes along with your passport size photos to the provided email ID, and they have also included the contact number. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact. The email ID is amgjuniorcollegebommuru4@gmail.com, and contact number is 9908971013. Next, there is a job openings for Pragati Junior and Degree Colleges. They are looking for degree college. They are looking for principals and lecturer positions. For principal, minimum 3 years of experience is required, and lecturers, they have not included any details like experience details. You can check with the organization on the provided numbers for further information. And for the lecturer positions, they are looking for the subjects mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer science, electronics, statistics, commerce, English, Sanskrit, arithmetic, reasoning, and soft skills. So all these subjects lecturers positions are available, and this is for degree college located at Kakinada and Peddapuram. Next, they are looking for junior colleges located at Kakinada, Peddapuram, Jagapati Nagaram, and Rajamahendravaram. So all these 4 locations have vacancies, and they are looking for lecturer positions for the subjects mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, English, and Sanskrit. So job vacancies are available all these 4 locations, and for degree colleges, jobs vacancies available for the 2 locations. Next, they are looking for accountant position as well, and should have a commerce degree. For accountant, qualification is should have a commerce degree, and should have a minimum 5 years of experience in any organization. I should be able to manage complete account cycle, and should have a knowledge of Tally and MS Office. You should be able to handle statutory compliances like income tax, professional tax, TDS, GST, and you should able to handle EPF and ESI returns. You should able to coordinate with auditors and should be updated with the latest rules and regulations of government departments. So these are all the qualifications for accountant. You can directly attend the interview. You can walk into the provided address for the locations like Pragati Junior and Degree College, Venkat Nagar, Kakinada. You can directly walk in on or before December 19th, and timings are between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The email ID is career@pragatiGroup.org, and contact numbers are 9948020806 and 9346078023. Next, there is a job openings for Emmanuel General Hospital. They are looking for doctor positions. Should you have MBBS and minimum 2 years of experience is required. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. There is also address details provided here. You can check with that. This job vacancy available in Visakhapatnam district. You can check with that. The email ID is emmanueltamaram@gmail.com, and contact numbers are 7680036817 and 7013231059. Next, there is a job openings for RV infra developers. They are looking for accountants position. Qualification, if you see, should have a MBA finance and should have a CA RCA or MBA finance, and should have experience in accountancy. Minimum 5 years of experience is required, and the job location will be Kakinada. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is rvinfradevelopers@yahoo.com. Next, there is a job openings for Aditya Public Schools. They are looking for teaching staff to teach the subjects for high school students. Subjects are Hindi, English, and social. Should have excellent communication skills and should be a subject expertise. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can directly walk into their campus, Srinagar campus located in Kakinada. The email ID is schoolscareer@aditya.ac.in. Attractive salary will be offered for the deserving candidates, and you can directly walk in between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Srinagar campus located in Kakinada. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, or if you have any queries or questions, contact numbers are 9849976667 and 7731936660. Next, there is a job openings for Concertina Pharmaceuticals. They are looking for several job openings for several locations. Medical representatives. They have openings for Hyderabad, Warangal, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Tirupati, Kadapa, Anantapur, Kurnool, Nellore, Ongole, Guntur, Vijayawada, Elur, Bhimavaram, Rajahmundry, Kakinada, Vizag, and Srikakulam. For all these locations, they are looking for medical representatives. And qualification, if you see, should have a 3 years of relevant experience, and that is must, and up to 29 years of age limit is there, like age should be below or up to 29 years will be considered. Salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience. And candidates who are having worked in respective HGS only will be considered. And they are looking for area sales manager. For the locations, they are looking Hyderabad, Warangal, Tirupati, Kurnool, Vijayawada, Vizag, and Rajahmundry. Qualification, if you see, should have 3 years of experience in managerial cardiology experience will be considered, and up to 35 years of age will be considered, and salary is negotiable based on your skill set and experience, and should have worked in respective HQs need to apply. And they are looking for regional zonal sales manager, Hyderabad location. Should have 10 to 15 years of relevant experience with exposure to Telangana, AP, and Odisha markets, and with their experience in who are having experience in Telangana, AP, Odisha markets will be considered. And age limit is up to 45 years of age limit is there, and salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience. You will be provided with challenging and motivating environment to grow at a rapid pace. You can share your resumes at the provided email ID on or before December 30th. The email ID is concertmaceuticals@gmail.com. Remember, you have to share your resumes on or before December 30th. Next, there is a job openings for Mahindra Home Finance for the customer manager sales. Qualification is graduate or any graduate, and age limit is up to 27 years. Experience if you see should have 1 to 3 years of experience in home loan department. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, and attractive salary is offered along with TA and DA. They have vacancies for Visakhapatnam, Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, Bhimavaram, Rajahmundry locations, and you can directly walk into the given Visakhapatnam office address to attend the interview. The address is Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited, 1/56/7, flat number 8, second floor, MIG, Sector 1, NVP Colony, Visakhapatnam. You can contact Mr. Sri N. Satyanarayana or the given phone number 7336961922, and there is also email ID available palepukrisna@mahindra.com. If you couldn't attend the interview or the provided dates, like if you are not able to attend the provided dates 16th or 17th, you can also share your resume at the provided email ID. They will be contact you back. The contact email ID is careers.homefinance@mahindra.com. If you have any problem in getting the details here, you can let me know in comments. I'll be replying for that. I'll be helping with that. If you couldn't recognize any of these information, let me know. I'll be commenting below in comments. If you have any questions, ask me. And you can also contact on the given phone number if you have any questions or queries with this 1800-233-5333. Next, there is a job openings for Kelly India Express. They are looking for supervisor to handle Amazon hub operations. System knowledge is required, and they are also looking for delivery associate. Should have smartphone and must should have a two-wheeler as well. And job location is Ambazipet. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 6309874808 and 9494131495. Next, there is a job openings for Navaneet Homes and Services only for Kakinada location. They are looking for marketing executive. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9866688330. Next, there is a job openings for Teju School, Rajamahendravaram, DWM, HB Colony. They are looking for teacher positions and in charges for primary and high school. You should have a fluency in English language, and they are also looking for bus driver. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9492566037 and 9848225858. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Suguna Children Hospital located in Danavaipet, Little Paradise School opposite Rajahmundry. They are looking for nurses. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7075690527. Next, there is a job openings for MCV Motor Cars Private Limited located in Anaparthi, Ravalapalam, Kadiyam. They are looking for several job openings like senior accountants. Should have 2 years of experience as a senior accountant, and junior accountants they have openings for 5, and for senior accountants they have vacancies for 3. Qualification is any degree and should have good communication skills. And as per their update, only for senior accountants 3 positions they require experience. For junior accountants they have not provided any experience. Qualification is any degree along with good communication skills. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9652736644 and 9676989847. Next, there is a job openings for Sridevi Honda, authorized dealer of Honda two-wheelers, located near Two Town Police Station, Main Road, Kakinada. They are looking for two-wheeler mechanics. Salary offered up to 15,000 per month along with up to 5,000 incentives. You can directly contact on the given address for further process and further details, and should have a experience as well. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Rama City Union Finance. The qualification is any degree. They have several vacancies. Age should be below 28 years. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9866822368. Next, there is a job openings for Damro Furniture. They are looking for ITI fitter staff. Location is in Isped. You can contact on given phone number Mr. Rajshekhar. Contact number is 9392431283. Next, there is a job opening for Vishnu Sai Finance located in Rajahmundry. They are looking for telecalling. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role telecallers. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9390237701 and 7799778825. Next, there is a job opening for Raghavendra Finance located in Stadium Road, Rajahmundry. They are looking for office assistants. Both male and female candidates are eligible. Qualification is minimum intermediate plus 2 plus 12th should have a knowledge of computer, and attractive salary is offered. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9030046919 and 9951518999. Next, there is a job opening for Andhra Pages located in Bangudi, Kakinada. They are looking for telecallers. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role telecallers, and marketing executives. Only male candidate is eligible for the job role marketing executive. Minimum qualification is inter and above. Attractive salary is offered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8008000815. Next, there is a job openings for Durga Logistics located in Kakinada. They have vacancies for inter, degree and PG qualifications. Both male and female candidates are eligible. Salary along with ESI and PF will be offered. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9704677666 and 0884235266. Next, there is a job openings for Raj Jewelry Mall. They are looking for jewelry staff. Both sales and executives, both male and female candidates are eligible. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to 16,000. You can directly contact on the given phone numbers, or are they given Raj Jewelry address along with your resume. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 0884234888 and 0884666601. Next, there is a job openings for Gayatri Sit Fund Office. They are looking for computer operator and managers and collection executives and development officers and driver position. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9848188059. Next, there is a job openings for Star Kids Dental Hospital. They are looking for receptionist and helpers. Address is Sagar Hospital Road, Bhavya's Skin Clinic beside. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9333334337. Next, there is a job openings for Bharata Silpa Nilayam. They are looking for office boy. Age should be below 30 years. Only male candidates are eligible for this job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7013116759 and salary offered up to 9,000 per month. Next, there is a job openings for Coastal Cardiac and Maternity Center. They are looking for receptionist position. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role. Qualification is any degree and job location is Rajahmundry. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 08832470 and 9966551763. Next, there is a job openings for pacemaker, Photoshop, CorelDRAW and DTP operators for the organization Raja Rajeshwari Screen and Offset Printers located in Rajahmundry. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9246657116. Next, there is a job openings for Sinam Herbal Cosmetics. They are looking for mandal-wise dealers and marketing executives. They have vacancies for all over East and West Godavari districts. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9494888885. Next, there is job openings for Tip Top Dresses located in Main Road, Rajahmundry. They are looking for sales executives. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9030570822 and as per the update, they are looking for experienced persons. Next, there is a job openings for Pranati Fashions, AVA Road near Petrol Bunk, Rajahmundry. They are looking for sales executives. Attractive salary along with incentives offered. Experienced candidates will be preferred. And this is a menswear and footwear shop. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7075228757. Next, there is a job openings for Kalpana Milkshake and Juice and Tea Center. They are looking for part-time and full-time job positions. Both male and female candidates are eligible. Located at Kalpana Center, Municipal Corporation Complex, Kakinada. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9392361199. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Prasad Gas Agency located in Rajahmundry. They are looking for driver cum gas cylinder delivery executive for Tata S. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9989978933. That's it in this video, friends. I'll be coming up with more job updates as soon as possible for Rajahmundry location and Kakinada and nearby cities as well. I am updating a lot of cities as well. You can check with the other job openings on our channel. And you also follow our community channel to make sure you do not miss any job updates. I'll be updating if any emergency like today job openings are there means I'll be updating in community channel as well. So you can follow that as well regular basis. Let me know if you have any questions or queries. I'll be replying for that. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. And please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings and moving forward as well. And please like, share our videos and our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. I'll be providing the regular updates. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.